So the solar panels, we have 720 of them on the roof. They alternate east and west, that way they catch the full range of sun throughout the day. But they're supposed to be able to supply, basically the design criteria is supply enough energy to power 30% of our electrical needs, which is enough to power the crew house. I'm Aiden Hibbert, I'm the brewery engineer here at Terrapin Beer Co. We actually partnered with Cherry Street Energy for the whole solar panel project. So basically the way it worked is that we actually are essentially renting the panels from them. So they were given to us for free, but now we just would buy our renewably sourced, solar energy from Cherry Street Energy. It's essentially a way to subsidize, our costs, because to go out and buy your own solar panels would be quite a long payback period. In the state of Georgia, you're not actually allowed to bank power anyways. So, with the current legislature, you can't really, store power and use it later.
The brewery events, even though we're doing it because sustainability has been a part of Terrapin's DNA, it's interesting because we're doing it, but it also has engaged the consumer more. Studies have shown that 67% of consumers say that they shop based on their value.
We don't reap any excess or additional energy from our water treatment plant, but again, we're just simply decreasing our impact on our local environment. So that's kind of, again, our goal with those solar panels.